Hi everybody. My camera works miraculously. Can't believe it. Bowman University, pick your color number 7. Who wants these last spots? Packs are coming out. I cannot believe this thing works today. If anybody wants to kill for 120, 120 is the kill with Cooper Flag. We have not seen an autograph of him out of this case. Yet alone any color of him out of this case yet. Hello? Anybody home? Guys, who wants to kill? Packs are out. This is gonna go. Not gonna let this sit for only a couple of spots. Although I wish I kind of did, because then we could kick off tomorrow really good. But someone talk to me. Someone make me reasonable offers. I'm listening to reasonable offers here on Bowman University. Hello? Packs are out. We're in video, guys. Let's see it. Packs are out. Just need someone to take the flag spots. Guys, somebody kill it for me. Yes, Smitty. Absolutely, Smitty. Here's a nice deal for you. Send 20 bucks, Smitty. How's that for all 3 spots? How's 20 bucks? That cool with you, Smitty? Awesome. I love you, Smitty. Thank you. All right, I need the flag spots off. Flag base and flag base gold. Yes, sold to Casey. That's fine. Casey, I know you're listening out there. You're fine. Send Casey, just send 100. Let's just do this break. I know it's not a ton off. I don't have a ton of room. Yeah, Smitty, don't worry. I'll just take the points from you, Smitty. Don't worry about it. I got you. Let's just see the break. Don't worry about the $2, brother. You got multiple spots. I'm not worried. No, automatic, man. I'm not even tripping, dude. Let's go. This will be my last break here, guys. Thank you for squeezing all of this out with me, guys. Good luck. See something crazy, Cam Jones. First auto is a base auto, Ashton Hardaway. Purple of Kate Koval. Ace Bailey on the base. There's Juju. Skyla on the X-Fractor. True Blue of Tradre. Skyla. Refractor auto of Simon Wilcher. There's Audie. Dylan Harper. Come on. Sarah Strong on the X-Fractor. Purple of Ngongba to $3.99. That was a hard one for me to say. Canupo. Box 1. Aqua Wave of Hickle. Sarah Strong on the base. Blue of Ace Bailey on the blue. Others. Bethia on the sky blue. Next auto is a beauty. Others refractor autograph of Juju Watkins. I believe that's for my good friend Bergie. Finally. Finally. I think that's you, Bergie. Others refractor autograph is... I gotta flip the page. Bergie 069. Finally, buddy. Me and you were overdue for that one, Bergie, honestly. Nice hit. Justice Carlton. Dylan Harper on the base. Sarah Strong. Green Reptilian auto. What a box. That was on there late. Battle with the Green Reptilian auto of Dylan Harper. Nice. 10 of 75. This is my best box of this product so far. Let's go, Battle. Caravan to 75 on the others. This was one of my best boxes of this product so far. Cooper Refractor. Let's go, Battle. That's how we do it, Battle. Hey, Hammo, first time I'm going to support you over here. Bang! That's sick, Dylan Harper. Yep. Ace Bailey, Dylan Harper. That's disgusting. That's big. That's big. Ah! Hey, we connect. Hey, trust me. Trust me. I wish I could say that about everyone. As Bergie, this was me and Bergie's first connection in months, probably, right, Bergie? Oh, that Ace Bailey base has a little bit of a corner issue. I'm glad we squeezed this off now. I'll add in the last three boxer. I believe that's all I have. The Cooper spots are gonna fly off. Watch, unless it comes out right here. Then they're gonna be scared. But this is crazy. This is a beautiful break. This is our best this is my best box I've ever had of Bowman U. Yet alone the best break I've had of Bowman U right here. You're witnessing it live with me right now. Here we go. Last stack. Base auto, Jamari McDowell. Let's see a Juju. Cooper flag on the X Fractor. Watch, a Cooper flag auto is gonna fly out. I have a weird feeling. Ace Anuel. Team logos on the kill. PJ Haggerty. That goes to Mr. Smitty. Cooper flag base. Final exam? No freaking way. Donovan Freeman on card. I've actually never pulled the final exams before. I do believe this is a others refractor autograph as well. I do believe Bergie or sorters will confirm on that. That's black. And that's Anissa Morrow. Black to 10 others. This is an incredible three boxer. My best three boxer I've ever seen of this product. And there's a gold of Kate Koval. This is crazy. This is crazy. I know it was a big, I didn't know how huge. I didn't want to over exaggerate it. I knew it was big. I didn't know if you're telling me huge. This was the best three boxer we did. Pretty insane. Very thankful now. I knew she was big. I didn't know she was that big, if you're saying that. Sometimes I try not to overplay it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be like, yeah, that's huge. And then it's like a $120 card. I'm like, fuck. Seem bigger. That was a sick little, that was a sick break though. That was a real sick break. Guys, that was an amazing break. That was cool. See? How come the breaks got hot when the camera worked? All of a sudden, when the camera magically could see the hammer, now the boxes are hot. What happened? But when you couldn't see me, the boxes was lukewarm. Somebody explain that one. Yeah, I'll end that. Ending it on a solid note. I'll take that all day, baby, long. All day freaking long, baby. Great three boxer. I'm adding in number 8. Take your 8s. And we made it, Smitty. We made it. That was my best one. I'm going to add in number 8. I think number 8 is my last one of this. Look at this. Watch this. Bang. Anissa Black. Bang. Juju Watkins on card. Bang! Green Reptilian of Dylan freaking Harper. Ready, break. Number 7. If it was me, I mean, Battle, I grade anything, any good name, but I don't know what they sell for and stuff. So it's up to you. If you do get it graded, get it reviewed first. If not, just get it raw, call it a day. Awesome, guys. Sounds like Select. Select treated me badly like that this year. Well, here's number 8. Number 8's hitting the store right now, guys. I do believe this is the last one because I only had 2 cases of this product. So if there's going to be any time to go for Cooper Cup spots, Superfractor spots, I do recommend taking it right here, number 8, guys. Here it is going in the store right now. There it is. Number 8 is in the store. You guys can go attack that. Yeah, you can. That's what I was gonna say. You can always just send it in later. For me, like with bigger guys, like if you know they're projected to do really well and vice versa. No worries, Smitty. No biggie, no biggie. Just letting everybody know. Regardless, I'm gonna finish the case at some point. Guys, thank you very much for everything, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. See you guys at 6 o'clock, Chris. Good seeing you there too, Chris, brother. Battle's great seeing you guys. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. No camera issues. No camera issues. Laters, guys. Good night.